the 2006 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, leather upholstery, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.